Hey everyone, welcome back to TheBarton'sBegin. So today I'm going to try to take you around a little bit. This video, I'm going to try to do a little bit more vlog style, I guess, a little bit live action, see what we're working on. So today we're working on rebuilding all of the ceilings. And I think I showed this in the last video, we were rebuilding the ceiling of the kitchen and that's finished now, which is good. But now we're working on the bedrooms, and which I'll show you in there. The reason we had to rebuild all of them is because they weren't supported correctly, which again is just kind of a common issue in this house we found is nothing is supported correctly. So I'll kind of explain once I'm able to show you in there. But right now we've got wood that was dropped off for us and we're rebuilding ceilings. So I'll walk you guys in there and we'll take a peek. So as you can see, the reason we're having to rebuild these ceilings is because the ceiling, it's focusing on my finger, the ceiling isn't actually supported by the wall. If it was, it would be up here. It's supported by this 2x2 right here. And then all of the 2x4s for the ceiling are notched out to be nailed into this 2x2. So what we're having to do is tear out all of these cut boards to be actually supported by the wall.
All right. Today we are coming in here to finish putting up the ceiling in one of the bedrooms. As you can see, we've already got started. We have a little extra hanging over there to support. What we had to do was cut the angles of the boards to get them to go back behind the wall so we can get them fitted in there. And we also tore out this little header. If you notice in one of our previous videos, it wasn't adequate. So we tore that out, beefed it up, put it back, and we're going to continue moving forward down this wall into the next room. We've made some progress almost all the way through the room. You can tell the difference in height on how much we've raised the ceiling. It's about 6.5, 7 inches.
So this is the wall in the first bedroom that we just realized that we're gonna have to redo because one of the supports is completely cut out and that wall completely moved. So we're gonna support the ceiling and then rebuild this wall. Oh my gosh, the whole wall's gonna come down.
Where's your brown?
Right here.
Got it. This thing's blue. That one board. It's gonna slow it down.
Walk it down. Timber.
Good thing we built that strong ass wall over there.
Yeah, no
That
kidding.
thing didn't even move.
No, that would fall right over.
Drew, wiggle it again.
Support wall.
Support wall. Current update on the house. We have finished the ceiling in this room, tore down this wall in the first room and rebuilt it. Cleared out the closet, tore down this wall to between the closet and the second bedroom. This is supporting the roof currently, and then Drew and Bill finished the ceiling in here. So making progress, and also built a new header for this door. So, moving right along. Feels like we've got a lot accomplished in the last couple weeks, which, you know, last couple of weeks is actually only a couple of work days since this isn't what we're doing full time. But things are moving along. We have sealed off this part of the floor. So we tested all the insulation from the ceiling, and that came back as negative for asbestos. But then once we got under the house, we were able to see the pipes down there, and that we need to remove to do some work underneath the house, and the lining of the pipes tested positive for asbestos. So we're having to have someone come in and remove all of that. So right now we just have it sealed off with a couple pieces of chipboard, but yeah, things are moving along, and that's the current update of the house. Thank you guys for watching.